This semester, our group was interested in testing our null hypothesis, which was a person's college major does not affect their inclination towards performing physical activity and weight management. In order to do this, our objective was to understand if there were certain majors that affected a student's inclination towards performing physical activity and weight management. The information on this poster provides additional factors that contribute to weight gain among this age groups, including mental health, stress levels, physical activity, and diet. Our results concluded that there were some correlations that led to obesity, a growing epidemic. The prevalence of obesity has become so severe that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has classified this condition as a national epidemic. Within the United States alone, it is reported that 37.9% of Americans have developed obesity, more than one-third of the nation's population. Our objective was to understand if there were certain majors that affected a student's inclination towards performing physical activity and weight management. In addition, we wanted to identify factors that showed a positive correlation for the contributions of weight gain among the students attending BYU Idaho. In order to do this, we had a survey sent to 300 randomly selected students at Brigham Young University, Idaho, which encompassed 10 questions. In order to reduce bias, we conducted a double-blind hypothesis test to see if we could reduce any amount of interference to the data that we collected. For our results, for research question 1, it was, does a person's college major affect their inclination towards performing physical activity and weight management? Our results concluded that yes, there was a correlation. And it was between a person's college major and their physical activity weight management. This was a significant relationship. A college major did influence their inclination towards performing physical activity. And however, for research question 2, it was, what are the factors that contribute to weight fluctuation among college-age students? The number of hours spent in front of a screen per day and a college weight fluctuation, as well as the amount of time student had been attending college and the student's weight fluctuation were not correlated. However, a student's main mode of transportation was strong and positive correlated. As you can see in figure 1 and 2, the figure 1 is wellness classification with the College Advising Center. And you can see the 3 classifications are very active, moderately active, and minimally active. And you can see there with the different College Advising Centers what they were ranked as. And then for figure 2, you see the mode of transportation and the significant correlation with weight and mode of transportation, with 1, 2, 3, and 4 representing the different modes of transportation. In conclusion, our results found that the students that were under the agriculture and life science were more inclined to be physically active among the other advising centers. We also found that among the other mode of transportation, using a car was positively correlated with weight gain. In addition, if we were to conduct a follow-up study in the future, we would explore the different mechanisms of weight gain to better understand the issues that we can contribute to combat obesity, which is a rising epidemic among young people. Overall, this study was really interesting for our group, and we found that we can find different lifestyle habits that we can change, and we can encourage others to change as well. Thank you.